Now problem number 4. For what value of p the following set of equations will have no solution? So you should get no solution. When do you get no solution? Whenever rank of a not equals to rank of ab. So first we will take, only there are two variables, 2, 3, 5, 3, p, 10. I have formulated the matrix. Now by using this I have to make this thing 0. So come on, make that thing 0. 2, 3, 5. This thing, what operation I have to perform? 3 into r1 comma 2 into r2. Whether we will be doing plus or minus we will see later. So 3, 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now 2, 2 3s are 6, 2p and 2 10s are 20. Just do minus of this thing, it will be better. 6 minus 6 0, 2p minus 9, 20 minus 15 is 5. Now substitute here 0, 2p minus 9 and here it will be 5. So if I keep 0 here, then only this will yield what? No solution. Why? Because if we keep 0 here, what will happen? Rank of a is 1, rank of ab is 2, then rank of a is not equal to rank of ab. We will get no solution. So definitely we should keep 0 here. That means 2p minus 9 equal to 0. That means 2p equal to 9, p equal to 4.5. So 4.5, p equal to 4.5 is the correct solution for the given problem. Let us solve problem number 5. What they are saying, problem number 5, consider the system of equations and they will have. So 1 2 1 6, 2 1 2 6, 1 1 1 5. Now what they are saying, 1 2 1 6. As we know, here we have to make this 0. For that you have to take 2 times of this. So 2 r1 comma r2. Do 2 r1 comma r2. 2 2 2s are 4, 2 2 6 are 12, 2 1 2 6. So minus 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 minus. What will happen? 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 2 0, 12 minus 6 is 6. So 0 3 0 6. I am getting this. Now I can do 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 5 1. I am getting this. Now what you have to do? 1 2 1 6, 0 3 0 6. Here by using this I have to make this thing 0, this value. Okay, by using this I have to make this 0. So what I can do, 3 times of this row I have to do. So r2 comma 3 times of r3. Come on, do 0 3 0 6, then 0 3 0 3, then minus 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 0 3 minus 3 0 0, 6 minus 3 is 3, 0 0 0 3. Now I cannot perform any more operations. If it was 4 by 4 matrix, then again we will keep here number and we will make this thing 0. But here we don't have anything. So now do up to here rank of a. How much rank of a? Number of non-zero rows 2. Rank of AB, number of non-zero rows are these 2. Then rank of AB means total matrix. This is non-zero row, non-zero row, non-zero row. Rank of AB is 3. Rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. That means what? No solution, as you people know. Rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. That is no solution. Option C is correct. Okay, let us solve problem number 6. What they are saying, for what value of A, if any, will be the following of equations, will the following system of equations xyz have a solution? So what value of A should I use so that it will have some solution, whether it may be unique or whether it may be not unique, but it should have some solution. But for that thing, what should be the value of A? So let us find what should be the value of A. Problem number 6. So what they are saying, 2 3 0 4, because there are xyz, then 1 1 1 4, 1 2 minus 1 A. Come on, by using this make these two things 0. So 2 3 0 4, take 2 3 0 4 as it is and multiply this thing with 2. 2 2 2 8, minus 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 2 2s are 2 minus 2 0 1 minus 2 minus 4. So 0 1 minus 2 minus 4. Now by using this again same 2 3 0 4 I will do like that only. Then this thing 2 2s are 4, 2 2a. Now what will happen? Minus minus minus. So 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1, that will be what? Plus. So 2 4 minus 2a. 0 minus 1 2 4 minus 2a. Now by using this I have to make this 0. I'll just add up these two. So what will happen? 2 3 0 4, 0 1 minus 2 minus 4, 0 0 0. Why? Because 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, minus 2a I am getting. So I am getting it as minus 2a. Okay, so it should have a solution. If I keep number here, what will happen? If I keep number here, rank of a will become 2, rank of a b will become 3. That won't give you any solution. So for that thing only it cannot give solution. So that thing only they have said have a solution. It will have only solution if minus 2a will become 0. Why? Because rank of a will become 2, rank of ab will also become 2, then only will have solution. So minus 2a should become equal to 0, then a will become what? 0. So option B will be correct for this question.